So you just bought a new home. Hooray! There's just one thing. You have to sell the home you're currently in. And that means you'll have to prep for an open house. While that can seem like a daunting and unenjoyable task, here are a few tips to get you started. Take care of all those small repairs, even if they seem like no big deal. Creaky floorboards, patching holes in walls, even fixing broken appliances and systems. Doing all this will reduce overall costs for potential buyers and make your home more appealing than others they're looking at. Next, it's time to make your home shine. It's important to clean your house from top to bottom. Scrub baseboards, polish metal fixtures, and even clean your fans. If it all seems like too much, consider hiring a professional. And if you have pets, don't forget to disinfect. It's important to make your home as beautiful on the outside as it is on the inside. Clean off your screens, sweep the driveway and sidewalks, and even consider adding some plants and flowers for vibrancy. Also, consider repainting your door and replacing light fixtures. It also wouldn't hurt to start moving now. Clutter is a serious problem that can result in lost sales. Remove some furniture to make the home feel bigger. Box up some of your stuff and take it to storage. It makes the home feel less personal and also removes your valuables. Once your home is in tip-top shape, scram. You don't need to be there for the open house. Your real estate agent is more than equipped to handle the tours and field any questions that may arise. Last but not least, spread the word. Make sure your real estate agent is marketing your open house, but also do some legwork yourself. Email friends and family, hang signs up in your neighborhood, and also post about it on social media. This will make sure your open house is a successful one.